Today in this video we will show you how a Word file can be converted into PDF. Welcome to our channel Digital Friend. This is our file in Word. We can watch this. This is our file into Word. MS Word. We can convert it to pages are blank in this file. We have to convert it in PDF. Then what should we have to do? We have to open any browser. I opened a Chrome browser. We have to open a browser. Let's write here ILO PDF. You will see this as a result. We have to click the first link. I clicked here. It will take some time and you can see here all the options are available. PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF. And we have to convert Word to PDF. We will select this icon. Let's click it. Select the Word. We have to select our Word file from our computer. This is the Word file we have in MS Word. Let's open it. It will take few time, and here we can see convert to PDF option. Let's click it. It will take some time. After few seconds of time, it will keep the result. And we can download the PDF. Here you can see sample 7 PDF. Let's open it, and here is the result, which is converted into the Word file is converted into PDF successfully in just a click.